welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today, let's check out what happens when you burn Omam. Let's get started. Flame on the stove. Today, I've taken a coconut shell, clean both the inner and outer sides, place it on direct fire, keep the flame in medium till the end, add in 2 teaspoons of Omam to the shell. Make sure you go with good quality Omam. Burn the coconut shell in direct fire to burn the Omam. Before starting with this, you need to consider 3 things. Make sure you're not suffering from any pulmonary disease, you don't have a fire alarm in your room, you're not allergic to Omam. Once you confirm with these 3, you can start with this. Fire the coconut shell in direct fire for 2 minutes and it will start to burn. The smoke will start to come out. This smoke is very aromatic. You can spread the smoke in each and every room in your house. This aromatic smell lasts for 8 hours. This is a natural repellent for bugs and insects. You can completely get rid of the bugs when you do this weekly once. This also has a lot of health benefits such as it lowers sugar levels, good for your heart and reduces anxiety. Once you start to inhale this Omam smoke regularly, it improves your digestion and helps in weight loss. It reduces belly fat and purifies your body. This Omam smoke has the ability to naturally get rid of bacterial spread in any room and keep it safe to stay. Many benefits in Omam burning. So do try this Omam burning at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.